Last one. Kakanin or kakanin like the pangit naman na yan. Okay, number 1. Halo-halo or mais kunyelo?
Mais
Halo-halo.
Mais kunyelo.
Halo-halo.
Bibingka or puto bongbong?
Puto bongbong!
The bongbong is like...
Bibingka ko, guys. Sorry.
You can leave.
No.
Leche flan or maha blanca?
Leche flan.
Leche flan, yeah.
Leche flan.
Yeah.
Sapin-sapin or kalamay ube?
Kalamay ube.
Sapin-sapin.
Kalamay ube.
I
You
love
know, sapin-sapin when done right. It's good.
Yeah.
When done right.
Kalamay ube is so nice.
Sorry.
So good.
You should try the sapin-sapin ice cream ng Sebastian's. Promote. Okay.
Turon or banana Q?
Turon.
Turon.
With
Banana Q with
bangka.
twist.
Turon with bangka.
Yeah.
Buko pandan or mango float?
Oh shoot, that's a
Buko
hard one.
pandan.
Maybe buko pandan.
Depends eh. You can go so wrong or right with a mango float eh.
Yeah.
So, buko pandan.
Yes.
Buko pandan is
Pandan.
always
Buko
consistent.
pandan texture, but like mango float.
Mango float's
you
insane.
crave it.
Oh, nga eh.
Yeah.
You crave mango float.
Oh, it feels like a holiday.
But buko pandan is like fresh.
Yeah. It's
Ay,
timeless.
fresh
Timeless.
tayo eh.
Fresh like buko pandan.
Asaba cake or peachy peachy?
Peachy
Peachy
peachy.
peachy.
I'm not
Okay, sure,
peachy.
peachy
I love cassava cake, but I love,
Peachy,
better,
fine.
Yema or pastillas?
Yema.
Pastillas.
Yema.
Are we in sync today?
I think
Yema.
yema.
Yeah, man, sorry. Yeah. It's Yema. I didn't have to think about it. It's Yema.
Yeah, Yema.
Ensaymada or pandikoko?
Ensaymada.
Ensaymada.
Pandikoko.
But I do love pandikoko.
But
Yeah.
I like,
Pandikoko is great too.
ensaymada is like too bready. Like the ratio, come on, give me something.
Yeah. No, I find in Samala,
Depends
typically
on
a bit
which
too sweet.
ensaymada.
Oh, too sweet.
No,
Sweet.
depends.
Yeah, no, it
Like
depends.
the old
That's how it
school
always
ensaymada.
is. It
Yeah,
depends.
yeah.
Pero ako pandeko.
Pandikoko has too much filling for me.
Ginataang bilo-bilo or champurado?
Ginataan
Ooh.
bilo-bilo.
Wait lang.
Oh my God.
Pinagpanik siya.
Ang hirap.
Ginataang bilo-bilo or champurado?
Bilo-bilo always. You know when my mama makes the ginataan with the fruits, I always eat the bilo-bilo only.
Champorado.
Champurado.
Champorado.
It's my American parents.
And with that, ladies and gentlemen, Andy Marquez
Wow.
joining us here.
Sana
Chat
Easy
GPT question.